Hi, Namaste. This is S.K. Batin Rahman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Now we discussing about the relationship between the free energy, enthalpy, entropy, and redox potential. Okay. Now, in Gibbs free energy is combined of enthalpy and entropy is single value. This is the Gibbs free energy associated with chemical reaction can do. Usually work is equal to enthalpy minute the product of temperature and the entropy of a system. G is equal to H minus Ts. Now concern is temperature with del G is del T is equal to T del S. The Gibbs product of directly chemical reaction, if del G is negative, then the reaction is spontaneous. If del G is positive, the reaction is non-spontaneous. Entropy and Gibbs free energy. How to entropy and enthalpy are related. Del G equal to del H minus T del S. T del S is denoted by the entropy and the temperature is T is denoted by T. Okay. And del H is denoted by enthalpy and GE for Gibbs free energy by joules per kilojoules. Gibbs free energy that is available to useful work to reaction will spontaneously occur if del G is less than 0 greater less than del G is exogenic reaction. A reaction will not spontaneously occur if del G greater than 0. It's erogenic reaction. Okay. Now we in here some electrochemical conversion of chemical reaction of electric energy vice versa. Total amount of energy production of electrochemical cell. This is the amount of energy of two electric work dependent on the cell potential. Totally number of electron transferred from the reduce the oxidation of the concern with reaction. Result is electrocurrent measurement. Okay, is IS measurement of passing through the point. Okay, now in their discussion about a different relationship. Okay, different relationship between the del G and different of energy of enthalpy and entropy free energy. We are discuss about the whole section. In chemical process, in chemical science, we discussing the lots of things of the discusses by the different chemical. In the internal energy del E is a higher energy follow, higher heat follow, sorry. The reference all energy is contained with the chemical system. The higher heat follow, it is the surrounding by the energy which will be enthalpy. Increase the internal energy, maybe result is temperature increase, chemical reaction started, and phase changes. Decrease the internal energy, result is decrease the temperature and phase changes. This notable thing is internal energy several different amount of exchanges energy between the system and surrounded of the according to the equation. Now we discuss about a Gibbs free energy. Okay, how to work, how to react with someone others reaction. Okay, now is model principle of free energy. Aims by the product of N in lecture should be understand that there how to give free energy can be used to determine the direct reaction, the measurement of significant mass reaction ratio, and the means of the term of equilibrium concept of the how redox potential used to determine the direct redox reaction, how to give free energy related to the redox potential. Any gives by in the discussion why the study of endogenetic in the biology. Now we discussing the why study of energetic in biology. Why are used the study of energetic in biology? Growth of maintenance of the order in the dependent of energy and more of obvious. Generally heat, more movement and transport of information. Energy independent existence of life. What the energetic thermodynamics tell us? The limitation of possibility. Whether is given the reaction actually occur, how to reaction is occur, and rate of the reaction. Now we discuss. Prediction the spontaneous reaction gives free energy. Del G, the second law of thermodynamics, for the changing in the system, the total energy entropy of the system is surrounded will be increased. Del S plus del S del S by del S system by del S by surrounding greater than 0. This is the criteria of reaction of spontaneous. Gives are the combine of first and second law. It is the express the spontaneous reaction of term by del G, del H, and T del S. Del is change in enthalpy, heat constant, and T is absolute temperature, and del G is changing in Gibbs free energy unit joule per mole. The measurement of useful work of system is can perform must be negative is for the spontaneous reaction, and del G negative reaction is exogenetic, and that is thermodynamic downhill. Del G positive reaction is the endogenic and the process of reverse reaction. If del G is 0, equivalent, no changes. The property of del G, every reaction has a specific standard free energy. Example, this is the catalyzed exokinase, glucose plus ATP, glucose 6-phosphate plus ADP, adenosine diphosphate. Del G is 16.7 kilojoule per mole. Okay, the value of del G are added in the cell 1 to 2. Glucose plus phosphate plus glucose 6-phosphate is produced H2O, and del G is 13.8 kilojoule per mole. But if phosphate from the ATP plus H2O equal to ADP plus PI is del G is 30.5 kilojoule per mole. Addition release of del G is glucose plus ATP plus glucose 6-phosphate plus ADP. Del G is 16.7 kilojoule per mole. In del G in function of stir, del G associated with conversion of specific substance of specific product of independent of the pathway. A to D and A to B and B to C converting the pathway A to B. It is the conversion of del G A to B and conversion to B to C and plus the del C. We are say that del G is A to B and plus del G is equal to A B to C and plus del G is equal to C to D. If notable reaction A to D can be occur spontaneous even if del G is positive. So the long as del G is equal to A to B plus del G is equal to B to C plus del G is equal to C to D is less than 0. The reaction process is spontaneous for the A to D. It is the process through the A to B. It is the positive. The effect of consumption of free energy changes. This is the del G is derived from the potential reaction of the mole of the 1 mole modification standard gives free energy. Changes is non-standard reaction of A to B, B to C, in B to Q, and reaction is going about del G is plus RT in PQ by the A and B of free energy. Okay, thank you so much for hearing. This is the all about the free energy. Okay,